Alright guys, I'm going to do some example problems with solving a linear system of graphing through graphing. This is the Deltamath that I have posted. So let's go ahead and try solving linear systems graphically level 1. So let's go ahead and do this one. Solve the following system of equations graphically on the set of axes below. Y equals x plus 8 and y equals negative 3x minus 4. Plot the two lines by clicking the graph. Click a line to delete it. Okay, so it's asking us to graph it right here. This is where you gotta be very careful and know how to graph lines. So let's go ahead and review that. Let's start with y equals x plus 8. The y-intercept is 8 and the slope is positive 1 because there's a 1 in front of the x, and 8 is your b, which is your y-intercept. So I'm going to come down here, I'm going to click on 8, and the slope is 1. So that tells me to go up 1, right 1. And nice thing about Deltamath is that it automatically gives you the rest of the line, so you only got to do the slope once. So we graph the first line, y equals x plus 8. Now let's do the next one. Y equals negative 3x minus 4. The y-intercept on this one is negative 4. So we start at negative 4 right here. And then the slope is negative 3. That tells me to go down 3, right 1. Or vice versa, you could have gone up 3, left 1. So this is my system. Notice I have the two lines, and we need to identify the solution. The solution is where they intersect. So here on my graph, they intersect at negative 3, 5. And the solution is a coordinate, so I got to type it in as a coordinate. Negative 3, comma 5. Whoops. And submit our answer. Are we sure this is our answer? Yes. There we go.